The Marshalltown. All stainless steel putty and joint knives are a reliable choice for professionals in need of corrosion and wear-resistant tools. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these knives offer durability and longevity. The smooth surface allows for easy removal from your pocket, while the ergonomic handle shape and optimum weight balance minimize user fatigue during prolonged use. These knives feature a large hang hole, making storage convenient and organized. The addition of a hammer end further enhances the versatility of these tools. Sold individually in an inner pack and 6 per outer pack, the Marshalltown all-stainless steel putty and joint knives are designed to meet the demands of professionals who value quality and performance in their work. The WorkPro 6.3-inch mini chainsaw is a compact and lightweight cordless chainsaw that offers convenience and versatility for cutting and trimming tasks. With a chain speed of 16.4 feet per second and a 6.3-inch guide bar, this chainsaw delivers efficient cutting performance. Its tool-free installation design ensures quick and easy setup. Weighing just 3.2 pounds with a lithium battery, it reduces arm fatigue, enabling one-handed operation and safer usage. The compact design allows for precise cutting in small spaces, making it suitable for wood cutting, gardening, and branch pruning. Widely used in gardens, farms, parks, forests, and greenhouses, the WorkPro 6.3-inch mini chainsaw is a reliable and user-friendly tool. The Wallboard Tool's aluminum folding bench is a top-notch, high-quality tool made from high-strength aluminum alloy. With zinc-plated steel hardware, it offers exceptional durability and can safely support up to 400 pounds of weight. This lightweight and portable bench can be conveniently folded and locked for easy transportation. It features supportive steps on both sides and strong, sturdy rails for versatile work at multiple levels. The adjustable legs extend from 18 inches to 30 providing flexibility, and the slip-resistant rubber feet ensure stability and safety. Additionally, the aluminum folding bench is designed for convenience as it folds up easily. Made in the USA with global materials, it is a reliable and practical solution for various applications. The Sealey Air Hydraulic Riveter with Vacuum System is a powerful and versatile tool designed for heavy-duty applications. It can handle a wide range of materials and rivet sizes, making it suitable for various projects. With its trigger operation and vacuum system, it ensures safe and easy use by preventing rivets from flying off. The Riveter is built to last thanks to its durable construction and hardened steel jaw assembly. It also offers added comfort and convenience with its resilient grip and hanging loop. The included accessories and 2-year warranty provide further value and peace of mind. Whether you're in automotive, construction, or manufacturing, the Sealey Air Hydraulic Riveter with Vacuum System is a reliable choice for efficient and precise riveting tasks. The Trend Universal Quick Release Rail Clamp is a versatile tool for securing pocket hole jigs and saw tracks. Compatible with popular brands like DeWalt, Makita, and Festool, it offers broad compatibility. With an 11mm universal spigot, it easily attaches to jigs and tracks. The 83mm throat depth ensures secure clamping, while the 226mm capacity suits various workbench thicknesses. Its 1175 Nm torque provides a strong grip and minimizes slippage. The rubber over mold handles offer ergonomic support, and the non-marring clamp pad protects workpieces. The quick-release design allows for easy removal and adjustment. Made from high-quality materials, this clamp is durable and built to last. It is a reliable tool for woodworking projects of all kinds. The NorthStar 24-ton horizontal vertical battery-powered log splitter is a powerful and versatile tool for splitting logs. With a 24-ton splitting capacity, it can handle logs up to 25 inches long and 16 inches in diameter. The battery-powered operation ensures quiet and emissions-free operation, making it suitable for indoor or enclosed spaces. With up to 300 splits per charge and a fast cycle time of 13 seconds, it offers efficient performance. The splitter can be used in both horizontal and vertical positions, providing flexibility for different log sizes and orientations. Its patented wedge design ensures effective splitting, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting use. The NorthStar 24-ton horizontal vertical battery-powered log splitter is the ideal choice for those seeking a powerful, quiet, and easy-to-use log splitter. The Grizzly Spiral Cutterhead is a high-quality upgrade designed specifically for the DeWalt 13 inches, 735 planer. With this cutterhead, you can achieve a superior finish while reducing noise and vibration. Its unique design shears wood fibers, effectively minimizing tear-out even on challenging grain patterns or figured woods. Installing the cutterhead is a straightforward process, and all the necessary hardware is included. Crafted from durable materials, this cutterhead ensures long-lasting performance. By investing in the Grizzly Spiral Cutterhead, you can enhance the quality of your work, especially when working with hardwoods or woods prone to tear out. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking to elevate their planning capabilities. The Trend Varijig adjustable frame and guide is a versatile tool designed for precise cuts with a router. Its adjustable frame allows for creating rectangles, squares, recesses, slots, and face panel molds. With a working area of 23.6 inches x 23.6 inches and dual metric imperial measuring scales, it offers convenience and accuracy. Equipped with an anti-tilt shoe and built-in level, it ensures precise and squared cuts. The durable aluminum extrusion construction provides reliability and longevity. The tool is user-friendly and easily adjustable, suitable for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. Whether cutting recesses for hinges, creating slots for drawer slides, or shaping face panel molds, the Varijig delivers professional quality results. It is a valuable addition to any woodworking workshop, offering versatility and accuracy for various projects. The Marshalltown Ultralight Flooring Cutter 13 inches is a versatile tool designed for vinyl, laminate, and engineered hardwood flooring installation. It can cut materials up to 13 inches wide, 12 mm thick, and with a Janka hardness of 1200. Weighing only 14 pounds, this shear offers convenience and portability without the need for electricity or generating dust and noise. Its unique features include a movable aluminum fence for precise and repeatable 45-degree and 90-degree cuts. The integrated handle allows for easy and comfortable single-hand carry. Proudly made in the USA with global materials, the Marshalltown Ultralight Flooring Cutter 13 inches is a reliable choice for your flooring projects. The Pipemab 200 is a compact and lightweight portable magnetic drill designed for drilling on pipe, flat, and curved surfaces. Made in Germany, it features patented shallow field magnetic technology for a secure grip on material as thin as 3 mm. With a powerful magnetic adhesion force of up to 1,020 kilograms, it provides reliable drilling performance. Suitable for pipes 85 mm or larger, it offers versatile applications such as drilling holes, tapping, reaming, countersinking, and cutting threads. The Pipemab 200 is a safe and efficient tool for various metalworking projects. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.